In a sun-drenched meadow, two strangers find solace amidst their struggles. Mia, grappling with anxiety, and Liam, battling depression, cross paths during a wellness retreat. Surrounded by vibrant wildflowers and the gentle murmur of a nearby stream, they discover an unspoken connection. As they share their stories of heartache and healing under the sprawling sky, emotions flow freely, like the river beside them. Inspired by their conversations, they decide to co-host Nature's Embrace workshops, blending storytelling with outdoor activities. Participants gather in this picturesque setting to express themselves through art and movement, while sharing personal narratives that resonate deeply. Each session becomes an emotional tapestry, woven from authentic experiences as laughter mingles with tears. The beauty around them, a backdrop for vulnerability, fosters bonds that transcend words. It's here where healing happens most profoundly. They craft mindfulness exercises using nature as inspiration, inviting others to breathe deeply and connect with both themselves and each other in this tranquil space. Over time, friendships blossom among participants who once felt isolated in their journeys towards mental health recovery. Together they create something powerful, a community founded on authenticity and support amid stunning landscapes.